Hi guys, let's get ready together. There is some new products that I want to try out today that I got sent, including these Medicule collagen ampule pads. Mind you, I literally saw these getting sold at Costco and I got them sent for free, so let's try them out. It says it's for day and night and you just put them on your face. I've seen a bunch of people use them, so let's do it. Okay, these come with tweezers and everything. I've seen some people use them, so I was dying to try them out. Oh my gosh, okay. I cannot get one separated. Please. That's how to use it, and apparently I'm supposed to put them on my face like this and let them sit for a bit. So I'm gonna put them on with you guys and then let them sit. I feel really cute right now. Okay, I just took them off my face. That felt so nice and like cold on my skin. It felt amazing. I'm now going to top it off with this Lagome Refining Purple Serum. So let us open this and it's actually purple. This says that it is for sensitive skin and it will refine skin texture, which means if you have bumpy skin, this is your thing. But let's see how it feels on my skin, because my skin is pretty sensitive. It feels incredibly moisturizing on my skin, as you can see the glow that it gave me. It's also like super runny. It's almost like water, and it feels super nice and cold, and like my skin sucked it up incredibly fast. Guys, obsessed is an understatement, because tell me why I look like a glazed donut using only one product. I'm also going to try this Youn cream. I've seen so many creators use this and it is huge. Like, can you imagine how long this would last a person who just puts moisturizer on twice a day? This would last forever. That was genuinely insane. I feel like it helped with my redness. It was so good. It says that it will strengthen your skin moisturizer barrier and provide soothing effects. And it says it is for dry and sensitive skin. It's also fragrance free. This is amazing because my skin is extremely dry. I want to put this all over my body at this point. Okay, let's start on the makeup really fast. I'm going to go do my eyebrows because that's always going to be the first step. Okay, y'all, I just finished my eyebrows. I'm now going to go in with some concealer because obviously, I mean, why not? This is also the best concealer I have ever tried. It is phenomenal. It is amazing. If you have other recommendations, please let me know. But this one works perfect for me. But I really want to try a new concealer that's more full coverage. I'm now placing a little bit of bronzer on my cheekbones and going up with it to the start of my forehead. I'm going to blend in my concealer now because that is always my second step. Okay guys, let's do blush now. I'm using the Rare Beauty blush in shade Happy because this is the best blush on the market, but I'm completely running out. I don't know if you guys can see the inside, but yeah, if you run out of your Rare Beauty blush, you are definitely a real one, because I've been using this blush for like 3 years, if not more. I'm being so honest. Guys, I genuinely want you to see how well my makeup laid on top of that skincare routine. Incredible. Beautiful. I'm now going to set my face and my under eyes really well because, again, best step ever. I'm now going to use some powder blush because that is always the key to a beautiful makeup look. I am now going to do some highlighter in my inner corner and on my nose because that just makes everything look perfect. Okay guys, my makeup is all done. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!